How to fix Rocket League save failure error on PC. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Rocket League save failure error on PC. Fixing a save failure error in Rocket League on PC can be a bit tricky, but here are some steps you can try. First, ensure your device clock is synced correctly. Sometimes a mismatch can cause save errors. Corrupt save files can cause this error. Also, try deleting the saved file and creating a new one. Note that this won't affect your progress or inventory, but you might lose some settings like training sequences and video settings. Now make sure Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Next, run Rocket League as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary permissions. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings can interfere with saved data. Then, try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the issue. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Rocket League. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.